First 5. Rebound by number 9. Pass to number 3. 14 seconds to shoot. Pinag number 3 to number 9. 10 seconds to shoot. No good. Rebound by number 62. Nakuha na number 6. Layup. 2 points by number 6. Number 26, turnover. De La Cruz, pass to number 10. Ako ulit na number 10. 10 seconds to shoot. By number 14. Number 26, pass to number 10 seconds to shoot. Number 18, pass to number 94. Layup, no good. Rebound by number 3. Pinababa ang bola. Pass number 9. Pinasa sa ilalim. Intercept by number 2. 62. Block by number 62. 8 seconds to shoot. 5. Rebound by number 62. Pinababa ang bola. Number 62. Sumalaksak, layup, nakalusot, 2 points by number 62.
Dati hindi gumagalaw eh, no?
Number 10 for 3, no good. Rebound by number 62. Pass to number 26. Number 26, lumipad, layup, no good. Offensive rebound by number 18. Pass to number 94. Tumero ng 3. Lumabas, no good. Rebound by number 3. Number 3, dribbling the ball. 14 seconds to shoot. Pass to number 10. 10 seconds to shoot. Nakuha ni number 9, pull up. No good. Rebound by number 94. Number 94, dribbling the ball, pinababang bola. Pass to number 62. Number 62. May sumabi. Foul number 6. First personal foul. First team foul. Fourteen seconds to shoot. Number 94. Pass to number 62. Pull up. Short. Put back by number 18, 2 points. All for ang ating score. Number 6, pass to number 3. 14 seconds to shoot. Binalikan number 10. 10 seconds to shoot. Offensive foul by number 10. Number 10, first personal foul, second team foul. Warning for technical, coach ng slide for recipient of the ball. Turnover. Bastol, dribbling the ball, pass to number 10. To number 9, De La Cruz. Binalik kay number 6. Pull up, no good, rebound by number 62. Number 62, nagkakatali, tumitawan, nakuha niyo ulit. Binalik kay number 18 for 3. No good. Rebound by number 3, Bastol. Pass break to number 14. Libre. 2 points by number 14. Number 26, tumera ng 3, air ball. No good, rebound by Bastol. Pass break to number 10, layup, 2 points by number 10. Number 26, pass to number 94, pull up, 2 points by number 94. Bastol, dribbling the ball, pass to number 10. Binalik kay Bastol, 10 seconds to shoot. Pinasa sa lalim sa number 14. No good, put back ulit. 10 seconds to shoot. Number 10 for 3, no good. Nakuha ni. Number 28, pass to number 26, to number 94. Tumira ng 3, no good. Rebound by number 26. Pinasa sa lalim. Last pass. Change 5. 2 points by number 62. All 8 ang ating score. Number 31. Pass to number 30. Binalik kay number 31. Intercept by number 11. Nakuha na number 66. Pull up. No good. Rebound by number 8. Pass to number 91. To number 11. Number 11. Sumalaksak. Layup. 2 balls by number 11. Number 31, pass to number 69, no good. Rebound by number 91, to number... 91 ba yun? 01. Number 01, pull up, no good. Number 21 to number 66. Pinalik kay number 31, to number 30. Sumalaksak, nakalusot, 2 points by number 30. Foul, number 31. Number 31, first personal foul. Third team foul. Number 45. Dribbling the ball, taking the play. Pass to number 01. Pinalik kay number 45. 10 seconds to shoot. Foul number 69, first personal foul, first team foul. Ay, fourth team foul, sorry. Warning for penalty. First throw, no good. Second throw, no good pa rin. Last throw. 3 by number 91. Offensive foul by number 01. Number 01, first personal foul, first team foul. Number 30. Direct kay number 31. Traveling violation by number 31, turnover. Number 45, dribbling the ball. Pinababa ang bola, pinasa kay number number 31. Pass to number 30. To number 66 sa gitna. Pinasa number 69. 10 seconds to shoot. 2 points by number 52. Number 91 for 3. 3 points by number 91. Number 31, pinagsalala sa number 69. Nice pass. 2 points by number 69. Nice pass by number 31. Number 11, pull up. 2 points by number 11. Number 31 to number 69, pull up. No good. Leave up by number 11. Pass to number 45. Pass back to number 71. Turnover. Number 30 to number 52. Pinalik kay number 30 to number 31. 10 seconds to shoot. Nakuha na number 66. Foul number 8. Pushing foul. First personal foul. Second team foul. First throw basket by number 66. Second throw. 2 for 2 by number 66. Still by number 52. Libre. Layup. 2 points. Time remaining 40 seconds. Number 8. Pass to number 01. Number 01, ginugulo. Pinasa number 45. Pull up. No good. Put back by number 11. 20 seconds. Seconds. 5. End of the first quarter. Lawang ng isang slide.
Pwede mo natin mga setup. Pwede na yan. Sabi naman tao. Pwede na yung setup.
Back to the ball game, second quarter. Number 26. Pass to number 94. Left. Wait lang.
May bago pa silang player.
Left. May hindi pa daw nakakapasok sa OSPS.
Yeah, 6.
Number 6. Kailangan makapasok po lahat muna. Warning for delay the game, OSPS. Number 1. Same ball. 12 seconds to shoot. Well back by number 62. Number 62, binababa ang bola. Pinasa number 6, Fade. Sumalaksak, pinalikan number 62. 14 seconds to shoot. Nabitawan, nakuha ulit number 62. Pinalik kay number foul number 27. Foul number 24. First personal foul. First team foul. Number 5 to number 27. 27. Two balls for number 94. Number 62. Tinababa ang bola. Nabitawan ng number 1. Pass to number 5 to number 27. Layup. 2 balls. Rep. May hindi pa po nakapasok dito. Number 9. Number 9. Kailangan makapasok muna lahat.
Chip, technical na kasi may warning po kanina.
Wait lang ako.
Beses na, dapat technical na kasi may warning kanina.
Technical foul for delaying the game, OSPS.
Pero kasi hindi lang walang bago eh. Walang uniform eh. Hindi, sa coach. Sa coach.
throw basket. Two for two by number
Ah,
62.
27.
Number 27 to number 17, pull up. No good, rebound by number 62. Number 62, pinababa ang bola. Pass to number 6 to number 4. Pinalit sa gitna sa number 52. 2 points by number 24. 3 points by number 24. No good. Rebound by number 9. Pass to number 62. Number 62. Skill by number 1. Pass to number 62. Layup. No good. Fairway foul. Timeout. Up slide. First correct. Number 4, 25. Number 25, first personal foul. First team, third team foul.
Ay, state.
Back to the ball game.
Hindi pwede ulit yan, di ba? Kasi namin yung balance.
Second throw. Basket. Number 1. Pass to number 5. Number 5. Taking the ball. Pinasa sa number 17. 12 seconds to shoot. Number 17. Sumalaksak. No good. Put back ulit ni number 17. No good pa rin. Nakuha ni number 5. 14 seconds to shoot. 10 seconds to shoot. 5 seconds to shoot. Basket. Number 6 pull up, no good. Rebound team. Foul number 25, second personal foul, fourth team foul, warning for penalty. Number 62 pass to number 5 to 3, no good, rebound by number 17. Number 17 to number 1. Number 1, binababa ang bola. Pinalik kay number 25. 10 seconds to shoot. Number 1 for 3, air ball. Rebound by number 62. Number 62. Naghanap ng mababasahan to number 6. Number 6 sumalaksak, layup, no good. Rebound team. Number 27. Pass break to number 9. Number 5. Foul number 9. Number 9,
Pwede na sana.
first personal foul, second team foul. First turn, no good. Set off 2 by number 5. Number 62, binababa bola. Pass to number 9 to number 12. Layup, 2 points. Change 5, change 5.
Sir, yun lang po. Yung shot ball sa third. Sa
Wala
second.
na, wala na. Hanggang second quarter na tayo. After
Sa
nito
third.
change mo, offensive na. Pwede naman offensive na.
Yung kanila po, gamit na lahat, ano? Gamit na lahat yung kanila.
Opo, sa inyo, hanggang 20 lang naman tayo, sakto lang yun.
Opo, sakto. Gagamitin naman lahat.
Sir,
Coach, coach, coach.
Sir, sir! Sir! Sir!
may coach, gusto ka? Hindi, yung iba kasi, yung iba mong audience nandiyan. Tap. Then, 26.
Foul number 26. First personal foul. And number 10, warning for flopping. Number 10, warning for flop.
Sige, pwede yun. Ay, hindi, sir. Hindi pwede. Nasa Lopez. Lopez.
No, wala pang sub, walang sub. Number 18. Wala pang sub, wala pang sub. Third quarter pa po.
Sir, kasasap ko lang eh. Nantok natin, Peter.
Ganda ng laban, dikit lang eh.
Last throw, basket.
Gaan.
Number 94. Leaving the ball. 14 seconds to shoot. Nice move by number 94. No good. Rebound by number 30. Steal by number 28. Nakuha ni number 14. Pass to number 10. To number 31. Pinasa kay number 66. Binalik kay number 30. 12 seconds to shoot. Blocked by number 11. Steal by number 31. Pass break to number 14. 2 points by number 14. Number 28, pass to number 45. Sumalaksak, 2 points by number 45. Ten seconds to shoot. Number 10 for 3. No good. Foul number 14. Penalty, rep. Penalty. Number 10, number 14, first personal foul, penalty.
Number 14 na ako. Alam ko eh. Ayun ako mo ba? Oo.
30. Pass to number 10. Nasa sa lalim sa number 66. Binalik kay number 30. 14 seconds to shoot. Number 66. Pull up. 2 points. Binalik at 66. Number 94 for 3. 3 points for number 94. Number 66. Pull up. No good pero may foul. Foul number 28. First personal foul. Warning for penalty.
Ano? Delaying?
Number 28, warning for technical for resentment of a call.
Sinasenya siya. Ang sinasabi niya, bola.
Second rule, no good. Rebound by number 26. Pass to number 45. Number 45, pinasa kay number 94. Take. May tawag sa rep. Offensive foul by number 9. By number 94. Number 94, first personal foul. 15th foul. Number 10 to number 30 to number 66. 10 seconds to shoot. No good. No good na din. Turn back ulit number 40 to number 66. 2 points kay number 66. Number 11 to number 94. Fake. Pull up na yun. Nakuha ulit ng number 94. Basket foul by number 94. Foul number 31. Number 31, second personal foul. Penalty. Bonus free throw by number 94. Basket. Number 30. Pass to number 10. Tumira ng tres. No good. Nakuha ni. By foul. May tinawag sa rep. Foul number 45. Penalty rep. Number 45.
Ay, sorry. 45 first.
Number 45, first personal foul penalty. First throw, no good. Both teams penalty. Time remaining 1 minute and 54 seconds. Number 94 for 3, no good. Nakuha mo yung by number 31. Number 31, nakabang bola. Number 31, pinasa kay number 30. Sa malaksa, no good. Rebound by number 26. Number 26, nagmamadali. Lifting violation, traveling. Turnover. Number 30. Pass to number 31. Number 10. 14 seconds to shoot. Number 66. Pull up. No good. Rebound by number 45. Number 45. Lifting the ball. Pinasa sa number 94. Blocked by number 63. Number 30. Pass break. intercept by number 45. Save ball. Time out. Outslide. Back to the ball game. Time remaining 1 minute and 1 second. Back to the ball game.
Sinesenyas niya ang senyas.
Number 31. Sumalaksak. Layup. 2 points by number 31. Nakuha niya ang number 25. Layup. No good. Rebound by number 28. Layup. 2 points by number 28. Time remaining 40 seconds. Apat pa rin ang kalabangan ng OSPS. 30 seconds.
Kasi may malaki to.
10 seconds to shoot. Number 10 for 3. 3 points for number 10. 15 seconds. 10 seconds. Number 26. 3 points. 5 seconds. End of the second quarter.
Picture.
Bawi yung dress.
third quarter. Number 17, pull up, no good. Offensive rebound by number 66. Pull up, no good pa rin. Pull up by number 18, steal by number 3. Block by number 62. 11 seconds to shoot. 11 seconds to shoot. 2 points by number 69. Seconds to shoot. Pass to number 66. Nagawat. Nagawat ulit to number 3. Foul number 94. Second personal foul. First team foul. First third basket by Gaston. No good. Rebound by number 62. Pass to number 11.
Batol lang yun, hindi bastol na.
Battle ba yun?
Batol lang.
Number 66. Layup, no good. Rebound by number 94. Number 11, layup, no good, pero may foul. Foul number 66. Number 66, first personal foul, first team foul. First throw, no good. Second throw, basket. Number 3. Pass to number 69. To number 9. 10 seconds to shoot. Naginawa. Nagawari. Number 01. Pass to number 94. Number 94 for 3. Air ball. Turnover. Number 3. Pass to number 9. To number 69. Pinarsalalin sa number 17. 14 seconds to shoot. Traveling violation. Same point. Timeout. Boys PS.
Parang sabay pero huli talaga yun siya.
Puro individual,
Ah, receive na coach. Ah,
Oo, meron. Segment ako.
Back to the ball game. Number 45.
Sabay.
Nice pass sa ilalim, pero wala. Nagawa, rebound na number 17. Pass to number 9. Number 9 to number 3. Steal by number 45. Pinasa number 26. Turnover, number 9. Pass to number 66. Layup, no good. Offensive break number 17. Pass to number 3. To De La Cruz. De La Cruz for 3. Fair ball. Rebound by number 18. Steal by number 69. Steal ulit na number 45. Number 45. Nakuha number 26. 2 points by number 26. Number 3. 14 seconds to shoot. Number 69 for 3. No good. Timeout. Upslide. First foul, right? First foul. Foul number 17. First personal foul, first team foul. Second team. Back to the ball game. Time remaining 6 minutes and 32 seconds. Same ball. Number 11. 14 seconds to shoot. Pass to number 26. Tumera na 3. No good. Rebound din. Number 45. Kaya sumabit. Foul number 17. Second personal foul. Third team foul. Sabrek. Still by number 26, libre, layup, 2 points. By number 26. Number 66 to number 31. 10 seconds to shoot. Number 31 for 3. No good. Put back by number 66. Basket. Number 26. Layup. Lalim doon. 2 points by number 26. Number 30. To number 31. Pinasa kay number 10. Tumera ng 3. No good. Number 26 to number 11. To number 11 to number 18. No good. Rebound by number 30. Pass to number 66. Number 66. Blocked by number 62. Sabrek. number 10 for 3. No good. Tapos si play number 40. No good pero may foul. Foul number 12. Number 12, first personal foul. Second team foul. Second throw, no good. Nakuha ni number 62. Pass to number 26, number 26 to number 94. Binubulok. Nakuha ni number 26. 14 seconds to shoot. Nice pass. 2 points for number 12. Number 31 to number 10. Tumira ng 3. 3 points for number 10. Number 94, babawi. Blocked by number 30. Number 31. Pass to number 10. Binalik kay number 31. 10 seconds to shoot. Number 10 ulit. Tumira ng 3. May foul. Number 8. Unsportsmanlike foul. Number 8, 3 minutes.
Walang ibangga yan! Walang ibangga! Walang ibang possession yan!
Wala na palang 3 minutes si number 8, pwede ka na pumasok.
Hindi, wala na. Out of the thrown out siya.
Number 8, out of the playing court.
Okay na yan dyan. Okay na yan, boss. Okay na siya dyan.
Wala, out of the play. Pag unsportsmanlike foul.
Sabi mo, last ng graduate.
Malaki masyado, mataba na.
Nag-start tayo, ano eh. Naitatakin pa eh.
Parang nervous eh.
Number 31, fake. Tumira ng press. Short. Number 11. Nakuha niya. Nasa number 26 for 3, no good. Good up na number 31. Pass to number 30. Number 30, binababa ang bola. Tumira, no good. Number 30, technical foul. Basket. 26. Driving the ball. Pass to number 11, pull up, short. Nakuha ni. Level. Rebound by number 66. Pass balik to number 31. Inantay pa yung kalaban. 2 points by number 31. Babasa tatlo ang kalamangan ng OSPS. Number 26, sumalaksak, pinasa sa gitna. Pinalik kay number 94. Pull up. 2 points by number 94. Number 30 to number 31. Number 31 fake. Binalik kay number 30. 10 seconds to shoot to number 10. Nasa sa lalim sa number 6. 5 seconds to shoot. Number 6 pull up. No good. Number 12. Pass to number 94. To number 62. Number 62. Layup. No good pero may foul. Foul number 6. Sabrek. Number 6, second personal foul, penalty. Time remaining 1 minute and 56 seconds. First throw, no good. Second throw, no good pa din. Rebound by number 30. Number 30, pinababang bola. Pinalik kay number 10. Number 66. 14 seconds to shoot. Number 10. 10 seconds to shoot. Pinalik kay number 27 for 3. No good. Rebound by number 62. Pinasa kay number 11. Number 11, sumalaksak. 2 points by number 11. Balik sa pito ang kalamangan ng OSPS. Number 27 to number 66. To number 17, pull up. No good. Rebound by number 62. Pass to number 26.
Hindi mo na ako nakikita.
Ay, hindi ko napapansin eh. Yata.
Number 94 for 3. Short. Rebound by number 66. Number 66. Pinasa kay number 10. Fake. Pinalik kay number 30.
Hindi naman.
To number 10 for 3. Pumador. Back, no good. Rebound by number 20. Number 12. Pass to number 26. Number 26. Pull up. Traveling violation by number 26, turnover. Time out. Upslide. Isa na lang time out ng upslide hanggang 4th quarter. Dalawa pa sa OSPS. Back to the ball game. Time remaining 33 seconds. Number 37. Pass to number 30. Pull up. No good. Rebound by number 12. 20 seconds. Number 11. Binababa ang ball. 15 seconds. To number 62. 10 seconds. Number 60. 26 complete. No good. Rebound by number 10. Pass break to number 30. Number 30. Walang shot. No good. Pero may foul. Foul number 94. Third personal foul. Fourth team foul. Warning for penalty. Time remaining 4.4 seconds. First throw. Basket. Two for two by number 30. 4 seconds. Still by number 66 for two. End of the third quarter.
We are pleased to announce the presence of the Finance Chief, JHU, Brigadier General Manilito F. Montel, Philippine Army.
Dinidikit ko nga ako eh.
May nakasit na. May nakasit.
Dinidikit ko lang.
Check. Check.
Back to the ball game, 14 final quarter. Dito na magkakalaman kung sino ang magwawagi sa season na to. Number 45, comes to number 11. Pinalikan number 28. Number 45, 14 seconds to shoot. Number 11, pull up. No good. Nakuha na eh. Nakuha number 28. 10 seconds to shoot. Pinalikan number 28. 5 seconds to shoot. Number 45 for 3. No good. Rebound by number 10. To number 27. Intercept by number 28. Nakuha number 17. Yeah. 2 points by number 17. Pabasok ang buong kalabangan ng OSPS. Number 45. Pumapula. Pumapasaan to number 11. To number 6. Nice pass. 2 points by number 18. Balik sa liba ang kalabangan. 60-55 ang ating score. Number 27, 10 seconds to shoot. Same ball. 10 seconds to shoot. Big ball. 40. Number 13 to number 10. 10 seconds to shoot. And I get number 10. Foul, number 45. Number 45, second personal foul, first team foul. Seconds to shoot. 5 seconds to shoot.
Eh, may foul tayo.
Foul number 17.
Eh, 28. Basket sa pin.
No basket na. Sub rep.
28 seconds.
Number 28, second personal foul, second team foul. Number 5 seconds to shoot. Number 17 pull up. 2 points by number 17. Tatlo ulit ang kalamangan. 16-57 ang ating score. 14 seconds to shoot. Nice pass sa lalim. No good. Foul number 27. Sige, stop. Pasok. Number 27. First personal foul. First team foul. Number 11. First throw. Basket. Two for two by number 11. Number 10. Nakuha ni number 17. Same ball. 8 seconds to shoot. 8-second shot clock. 5 to shoot. Foul number 18. First personal foul. Third team foul. First throw basket by number 14. Second throw, air ball. Timeout. Both teams, tag-isang timeout na lang. Back to the ball game. Number 11 to number 94. Same ball. 15 seconds to shoot. 10 seconds to shoot. Number 11 nakalusot. Layup. 2 points by number 11. Panagsaanan ng kalamangan. Number 10. Pinasa number 9. Pinakros. Intercept by number 62. Same ball.
Joy! Stop!
14 seconds to shoot. Number 17. Number 26, pass to number 11. Balikan number 12, layup, no good. Nakuha niya. Sabrep. Number 31, layup, no good. Rebound by, offensive rebound by number 17. Number 41, 2 points by number 21. Pagkasa dalawa ang kalamangan, 62-64. Ang ating score. Nagagawa na po kami. Jump ball. Upslide ball. Number 31 from 3. Last 5 minutes and 25 seconds. Number 26, Pabawe for 3, no good. Iba pa number 62. Dinalik ka number 94. Number 94, no good. Iba pa number 21. Number 21. Nabitawan, turnover. Points by number 12. Balik ulit ang kalamangan sa OSPS. Last 4 minutes and 50 seconds ang ating nalalaki. Number 17 ko lang. Number 11. Foul number 52. Number 52, first personal foul, second team foul. Both teams, nag-isang time out na lang. Number 26 to number 94. Nabitawan, nakuha ni number 94, tinira, no good, number 14. Number 14 is the number 10. Number 10, pass to number 31. 14 seconds to shoot. Foul number 26. Second personal foul, fourth team foul, warning for penalty. Number 31 to number 66. Flash pa sa laro sa number 24, no good, nakakulit niya number 14. Sa nagaling violation, ang tawag na rin, turnover. Number 94, Trey. Sumalaksak. Sinigit, Tawid. Remember number 14. Nakitawan. Save ball. Sabrek. Number 45 in. Number 94 out. Sabrek. Number 30 in.
Five.
14 seconds to shoot. 10 seconds to shoot. And pass sa rin nila. Last 3 minutes. Number 13 to number 31. 14 seconds to shoot. 10 seconds to shoot. Number 10 for 3. So good. Rebound by number 31. 10 seconds to shoot. Number 31 sumalaksak. 10 drop. No good. Rebounding. Nagagawa ng 1 number 30. 8 seconds to shoot. 5 seconds to shoot. Offensive foul. Offensive foul by. Offensive foul by number 17. Number 17, third personal foul. Third team foul. Last 2 minutes and 17 seconds in the fourth and final quarter. Number 62 to number 45. Pagyan ng test. No good. Remember number 10. Foul number 12. Second personal foul penalty. Penalty ref penalty. Last 2 minutes. Number 58, no good. Outside ball. Number 10, pass to number 31. Pass to number 10, tumera ng tres. Short, offensive rebound by number 66. Number 10 seconds to shoot. Number 31, sumalaksak, nice pass na lalim. Nilayang, no good, rebound by number 62. Pass break to number 25. Number 66, sumalaksak, layout, no good, pero may foul. Foul number 14. Number 14, second personal foul. 14 foul, warning for 14. First one, no good. Second one, basket. Shot track. Last 1 minute and 8 seconds. 14 seconds to shoot. Last 1 minute. 10 seconds. Still by number 62. Foul. Foul number 66. 66 14 seconds to shoot. Last 40 seconds.
Dalawa tayo, dalawa! Arvin, dalawa! Pare!
Ball number 26. Number 26, third personal foul, penalty. First room, no good. Last 38 seconds. Last room, papasok kaya? Basket. Outside. 30 seconds. Foul number 66. Number 66. Third personal foul. Penalty. Last 29 seconds. First throw. Basket. Papasok kaya? Time out. Papasok kaya? Para mag-goal ang ating score. No good. Rebound to number 30. Number 14, pass to number 30. Score by number 45. Pass to number 36. Number 36. Sumalaksak. No good. Rebound by number 62. Layup. Number 10. Rebound by number 30. Number 30. Nagawa. Nagagawan. Foul, number 18. Number 18. Second personal foul. Penalty. Seconds. First down, no good. Nagkagasa pa ang OSPS. Time out dito. Papasok kaya? Basket. Time out. OSPS. Up to the ball game. 13 seconds. Ball team penalty. OSPS, no timeout. Isa pa sa upslide. Isang timeout pa sa upslide. Last 13 seconds. Number 62. Taking the ball. Sir, di makita, sir.
Yes, sir!
Sir. 5 seconds. Congratulations to
Ah. Pre. Kevin, nasa kayo? Kevin! Tingnan mo tayo magtigpit. Doon na tayo. Doon sa dulo. Pre, tanggalin mo yung panya. Doon tayo sa dulo muna. Roger, oh.